All right, number 5, we're given this triangle and we're asked to find the cotangent of theta. Now, cotangent is the adjacent side divided by the opposite side. And so before we can figure out what the cotangent of this theta is, we're going to need to know the adjacent side. So for right now, let's call that A. And then we'll use the Pythagorean theorem to find A. So we know that A squared plus B squared, our 16 squared, is equal to our hypotenuse squared, so 8 square root of 5 squared. Make sure that when you square this, that you square the whole thing. If you plug that into the calculator to figure that out, you're going to need to put those parentheses, because if you put 8 square root of 5 squared, the calculator is going to think you mean to just square the square root of 5 and not the 8. We want to square this whole thing. So, all right, A squared plus 16 squared is 256. So to square this, 8 squared is 64. And square root of 5 squared is 5. So 64 times 5 is 320. All right, now subtract 256 from both sides. We get A squared equals 64. And so A is going to be equal to 8. Now we can go up here and replace this A with 8. And now to find the cotangent of theta is the adjacent side over the opposite side, so that's 8 over 16, which can be reduced to 1/2. And that's our answer, A, for number 5.